Welcome to EPG Pathshala. This is Dr. Jaswinder Kumar from University Institute of Hotel and Tourism Management, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dear students, today we will study about environmental, economic and socio-cultural impacts of tourism, and we will study the positive and negative dimensions of these impacts. Learning objectives. After completion of this module, you will be able to understand the concept of tourism impacts. You will know about various types of tourism impacts, and you will understand the positive and negative tourism impacts. Dear students, tourism industry consists of accommodation, hospitality, transportation and entertainment sector, and in this visitor attractions such as theme parks, amusement parks, sports facilities, museums, etc. are the prime attractions. Tourism and its management is closely connected to all major functions, processes and procedures that are practiced in various areas of tourism industry. You will be able to understand that in some places the tourism is in very low pace, but in some places the tourism is in very high capacities. Tourism creates some impacts in social, cultural and community dimensions, and that impact is in positive as well as in negative dimensions. Tourism positively contributes to the maintenance of natural environment by protecting or creating the national parks or other protected areas. Tourism is one of the most important component of the global economy. It generates billions of dollars in revenues and millions of jobs worldwide. It is considered by many communities, especially in emerging countries, that it is the only tool for development and the only chance for increasing the quality of life. Thus, the tourism industry has stretched from seaside to mountains and from villages to big cities. But at the same time, tourism also shows some other side as well, in which the industry is creating negative socio-cultural impacts, environmental impacts and negative economic impacts. And impacts of tourism on destinations are studied in both the dimensions, that is positive and negative dimension. First of all, let us study the economic impact of tourism, and we will study it positive as well as in the negative dimension. Tourism generates wealth and jobs, but sometimes the wealth leaks from the community and jobs are mainly low income. From the socio-cultural perspective, tourism brings together people from different backgrounds, cultures and traditions and promotes peace. But at the same time, due to globalization, many communities have lost their cultural identity. Tourism also helps in conserving various areas. It helps in providing the jobs. It helps in providing the employment opportunities in primary and secondary segments. There are various categories of economic impacts that are giving very diverse benefits to the local areas. If you talk about some negative aspects, there are changes in prices. Tourists sometimes inflate the cost of housing and retail prices in the area, and this happens frequently on a seasonal basis. There is also change in the quality and quantity of goods and services, and tourism may lead to a wider array of goods and services available in the area of either higher or lower quality than without services. Changes in property and other taxes. Taxes to cover the cost of local services may be higher or lower in the presence of tourism activity. In some cases, taxes collected directly or indirectly from tourists may yield reduced local taxes for schools, roads, etc. In other cases, locals may be taxed more heavily to cover the added infrastructure and services costs. The impacts of tourism on local government costs and revenues are also contributing to the economic impact of tourism. There are also economic consequences of social and environmental impacts that are not usually the part of economic impact. Tourism impact can be positive or negative. The tourism industry generates substantial economic benefits to both host countries and tourist home countries. Especially in developing countries, one of the primary motivations for a region to promote itself as a tourism destination is the expected economic improvement. As with other impacts, this massive economic development brings along both positive and negative consequences. If we talk about positive impacts of tourism, the most important impact is the foreign exchange earnings. Tourism expenditures generate income to the host economy and can stimulate the investment necessary to finance growth in other economic sectors. Some countries seek to accelerate this growth by requiring visitors to bring in a certain amount of foreign currency for each day of their stay. An important indicator of the role of international tourism is its generation of foreign exchange earnings. Tourism is one of the top 5 export categories for as many as 83% of countries and is main source of foreign exchange earnings for at least 38% of countries. Next is contribution to government revenues. There is direct contribution of tourism by taxes on incomes from tourism businesses and by direct levies on tourists such as departure taxes. Indirect contributions come from taxes and duties levied on goods and services supplied to tourists. Next important impact is employment generation. The rapid expansion of international tourism has led to significant employment creation. Tourism can generate jobs directly through hotels, restaurants, nightclubs, taxis, souvenir sales, and indirectly through the supply of goods and services needed by tourism-related businesses. Next impact is stimulation of infrastructure investment. Tourism can induce the local government to make infrastructure improvements such as better water and sewage systems, roads, electricity, telephone and public transport networks. This can improve the quality of life for residents as well as facilitate tourism. Next economic impact is contribution to local economies. As the environment is a basic component of the tourism industry and its assets, tourism revenues are often used to measure the economic value of protected areas. Other local revenues that are not easily quantified, as not all tourist expenditures are formally registered. Money is earned from tourism through informal employment, for example, street vendors, informal guides, rickshaw drivers. The positive side of informal employment is that the money is returned to the local economy and has a greater multiplier effect as it is spent over and over again. Tourism also creates some negative economic impacts. There are many hidden costs to tourism which can have unfavorable economic effects on the host community. Often rich countries are better able to profit from tourism than poor ones, whereas The least developed countries have the most urgent need for income, employment, and general rise of standard of living by means of tourism. They are least able to realize these benefits. Among the reasons for this are large scale transfer of tourism revenues out of the host country and exclusion of local businesses and products. Next negative impact is leakage. The direct income for an area is the amount of tourist expenditure that remains locally after taxes, profits, and wages are paid outside the area and after imports are purchased. These subtracted amounts are collected leakage. Next is infrastructure cost. Tourism development can cost the local government and local taxpayers a greater deal of money. Developers may want the government to improve the airport, roads, and other infrastructure, and possibly to provide tax breaks and other financial advantages which are costly activities for the government. Public resources spent on subsidized infrastructure or tax breaks may reduce government investments in other critical areas such as education and health. Increase in prices. Increased demands for basic services and goods from tourists will often cause price hikes that negatively affects local residents whose income does not increase proportionately. Tourism development and the related rise in real estate demand may dramatically increase the building costs and land values. This makes it more difficult for local people to meet their basic daily needs. Next negative impact is economic dependence of the local community on tourism. The diversification in the economy is the sign of health, and if a country or region becomes dependent for its economic survival upon one industry, it can put major stress upon this industry as well as the people involved to perform well. Many countries with little ability to explore other resources have embraced tourism as a way to boost the local economy. Next negative impact is seasonal character of jobs. There is the problem of seasonal workers in tourism industry and they face the job insecurity, no guarantee of employment for other season and difficulties in getting training, employment related medical benefits and recognition of their experience as well as unsatisfactory housing and working conditions. Now, we will discuss about socio-cultural impacts of tourism. Tourism has often been associated with the link with local cultures, behaviors, values and traditions. Tourism is considered as a framework where host and tourist can learn better about each other. That interaction can be direct or indirect. This interaction between tourist and local community contributes for some impacts. The social and cultural ramification of tourism warrant careful consideration as impacts can either become assets or it can be a sign of deterioration for the socio-cultural life of the destination. The interaction between tourist and local community can create some creative expressions by providing new opportunities, or sometimes it can contribute for the positive cultural understanding. Tourism can push a community to adopt a different moral conduct such as improved understanding between the genders, or it can have also the negative dimensions such as the illegal activities, drug abuse, etc. Tourism can come to a community with a dark social and cultural side too. Illegal activities tend to increase in the relaxed atmosphere of tourist areas. Increased underage drinking can become a problem, especially in beach communities, areas with festivals involved in alcohol, and in ski villages. It is easier to be anonymous where strangers are taken for granted. There can be increased presence of smugglers and buyers of smuggled products. Next is demonstration impact. The demonstration effect of tourism, in which the residents adopt tourist behaviors, and the addition of tourist facilities may alter customs such as the dating habits, especially of those of structured or traditional culture. The potential of meeting and marrying non-local mates may create family stress. Crowding. In tourism industry, people congregate in attractive places. Tourism often develops around specific locations and concentrates there, providing growth yet avoiding the sprawl. Historical buildings and grounds, which might otherwise slowly deteriorate, have great appeal for tourism development and can often be renovated to suit the industry. As people congregate in the places, the congestion and crowding produces stress, annoyance, anger, and other negative attitudes. And because of this, the residents of local area, they do not support tourism industry. Construction. Because of tourism industry, there are a lot of constructions such as hotels, resorts, theme parks, and that creates the deterioration of the landscape. In some areas, the recreational activities, condominiums, development of some other infrastructure creates opportunities for employment for the local people. Tourist expectations can upgrade service by local shops, restaurants, and other commerce operators. Tourist traffic. Tourist traffic in a community creates an opportunity for fire services, police services, medical services, and these services are not only benefiting tourists but also the local community. There is supply shortages may occur because of increased tourism seasonally or chronically. Knowing the nature of tourism impacts and that will not automatically lead to the solutions. It is equally important to identify the sources of these impacts and how they influence interactions between tourists and residents and the host community and the environment. Now, we will talk about environmental impacts of tourism. The relationship of tourism with the environment is very complex. It involves many activities that can have adverse environmental impacts. Many of these impacts are linked with the construction of general infrastructure such as roads, airports, and of tourism facilities, including resorts, hotels, restaurants, shops, golf courses, and marinas. If we talk about negative impact of tourism, that can gradually destroy environmental resources, and tourism has the potential to create the benefit or positive impact on the environment by contributing to environmental protection and conservation. In negative dimension, there is pressure on natural resources. Tourism development can put pressure on natural resources when there is increased consumption of resources in the areas where the resources are already scarce. The tourism industry usually overuses water resources for hotels, swimming pools, golf courses, and personal use of water by tourists. This can result in water shortages and degradation of water supplies. as well as there is generation of the greater volume of wastewater. Next negative impact is land degradation. The important land resources including minerals, fossil fuels, fertile soil, forest, wetland and wildlife is deteriorated. The increased construction, the recreational facilities created the increased pressure on the landscapes. This impacts upon renewable and non-renewable sources such as the use of land for accommodation and other infrastructure provision and the use of building materials. There is negative impacts of tourism in deforestation as well as the deterioration of the land. Pollution. Tourism can cause the same forms of pollution as any other industry, and it can have impact upon air emissions, noise, solid waste and littering, release of sewage, oils and chemicals, even the architecturals and visual pollution. Air pollution and noise pollutions is increasing in response to the rising number of tourists and their greater mobility. Next negative impact is sewage. The construction of hotels, recreational facilities lead to increased sewage pollution. Wastewater pollutes seas, lakes and surrounding tourist attractions, damaging the flora and fauna. Sewage runoff causes serious damage to coral reefs because it contains lots of nutrients and it stimulates the growth of algae, which covers the filter feeding corals. Change in salinity and transparency can have wide-ranging impacts on coastal environments. The sewage pollution can threaten the health of humans and animals. There is aesthetic pollution as well. Often tourism fails to integrate its structures with natural features and indigenous architecture of the destination. Big resorts and sometimes the design which is not suitable to the natural socio-cultural architecture or natural environment that creates the visual pollution. The lack of land use planning and building regulations in many destinations has facilitated sprawling developments along coastlines, valleys and scenic routes. The sprawl includes tourism facilities supporting infrastructure such as roads, employee housing, parking services and the waste disposal. Land degradation and loss of wildlife. Because of roads and airport construction, it can lead to land degradation and loss of wildlife habitats and deterioration of scenery. Deforestation and intensified unsustainable use of land such as construction of ski resorts, accommodation and other facilities frequently requires the clearing the forest areas. Coastal wetlands are often drained and filled due to lack of more suitable sites for construction of tourism facilities and infrastructure. These activities can cause severe disturbance and erosion of the local ecosystem and even destruction in the long term. The development of tourism in backwaters or in the marine areas also creates negative impacts in that area. Tourism also creates positive environmental impacts such as the financial contributions. Tourism contributes directly to the conservation of sensitive areas and habitats. Revenue from park entrance fees or from similar sources contributes for the payment to the management for protection and conservation of environmental sensitive areas. Sometimes the special fees for the conservation and protection of the sensitive areas is also taken from the tourists. Contribution to the government revenues. Some government collects money in the form of indirect ways that are not linked to the specific parks or conservation areas, such as user fees, income taxes, taxes on sales or from rental. These fees is used for the funds needed to manage natural resources. Such funds can be used for overall conservation programs and activities such as the salaries of national park or sanctuary employees and also for the maintenance of these areas. Tourism also contributes for improved environmental management and planning. The sound environmental management of tourism and the facilities such as hotels can increase benefits to natural areas. This requires careful planning for controlled development based on analysis of environmental resources of the area. Improved environmental management and planning. Sound environmental management of tourism facilities areas. Tourism has the potential to increase public appreciation of the environment and to spread awareness of environmental problems when it brings people close to the nature and environment. This interaction increases the awareness of the value of nature and environmental consciousness and the behavior and activities that contributes for the preservation of environment. Protection and preservation. Tourism can significantly contribute to environmental protection, conservation and restoration of biological diversity and sustainable use of natural areas. Because of their attractiveness, the beautiful sites of natural areas are identified, and to keep the attraction alive, there is creation of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, and these are conserving the destinations and the environment. Dear students, now we can say that tourism is giving very diverse impacts to the local community, to the host destination. Tourism creates physical impacts, it creates economic impacts and socio-cultural impacts. Similarly, these impacts are having the positive and negative sides. For sustainable development of tourism, it is important that the local stakeholders, the local community, the government and other stakeholders it is important that all the stakeholders should work together for the sustainable development of the destination and minimizing the negative impacts of tourism and maximizing the positive impacts of tourism. And for this, we all should make our contribution for the tourism, as tourism will contribute for sustainable development of the society. Thank you very much.